Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on POCO F6 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And now select this application and then click install. And now you can click open, then click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad and then click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click on OK. Now you can close this ad again, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.